Beyond Tech Tide. In search of the tech world.
Did you know that the James Webb Space Telescope can see back in time over 13 billion years to the first stars that formed in the universe? Imagine peering into the very origins of everything we know, the beginning of space, time, and the cosmos itself. Welcome to Beyond Tech Tide, where we venture into the mysteries of the universe, one discovery at a time. Today, we embark on a journey to explore one of the greatest breakthroughs in modern science, the James Webb Space Telescope. Join us as we uncover the power and promise of this remarkable instrument that is changing the way we look at the universe. From its groundbreaking technology to the incredible discoveries it's already making, this telescope is unlocking secrets of space that were once unimaginable. For decades, telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope have given us a glimpse into the wonders of space. Hubble revolutionized astronomy, revealing breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and even uncovering the mysteries of black holes. But despite its success, Hubble had its limitations. One of the biggest challenges astronomers face is studying the most distant corners of the universe, where light is faint and stretched thin over billions of years. Observing galaxies that formed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang is almost impossible with traditional telescopes. Light from these faraway objects is so faint, and sometimes, it can't even reach us in visible light. This made it incredibly hard to study the early universe, until now. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. Unlike any other telescope, Webb is equipped with cutting-edge technology, designed to overcome the challenges of observing the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Webb's most incredible feature: its ability to observe the universe in infrared light. While the Hubble Space Telescope focuses primarily on visible and ultraviolet light, Webb's advanced infrared capabilities allow it to peer through thick clouds of gas and dust, revealing stars, galaxies, and even new planetary systems that were hidden from view before. And then there's Webb's massive mirror, almost 3 times the size of Hubble's. Measuring over 21 feet in diameter, it allows Webb to collect much more light, making it nearly 100 times more powerful than Hubble. It can capture the faintest glimmers of light from the earliest galaxies, providing us with images that are both breathtaking and scientifically invaluable. One of the biggest challenges with building a telescope like Webb was getting it to a place where it could function without interference from Earth's atmosphere. Webb is positioned 1 million miles away at the second Lagrange point, L2, where it can observe the universe without being affected by the heat and light from Earth. It's in a perfect position to capture a clear view of the cosmos. Since its launch, the James Webb Space Telescope has already made several incredible discoveries that are reshaping our understanding of the universe. One of its most exciting achievements was the ability to peer back to the very beginning of the universe, capturing galaxies that formed only 200 to 300 million years after the Big Bang. These galaxies, born in the cosmic dark ages, are some of the first to ever exist, offering us a rare glimpse into the universe's infancy. The data Webb is collecting is helping to test the standard cosmological model, the widely accepted theory that explains the evolution of the universe from the Big Bang onward. But that's not all. Webb is also on the hunt for exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. With its advanced infrared sensors, Webb can identify exoplanets and analyze their atmospheres. It has already discovered several planets that could potentially support life, with signs of water vapor, carbon dioxide, and even methane, key ingredients for life as we know it. Could these distant worlds harbor life? Only time will tell, but Webb's discoveries are helping scientists narrow down the search for habitable planets. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just another piece of technology, it's a gateway to understanding the universe itself. It's helping us answer questions we've asked for centuries, questions about the origins of galaxies, stars, and even life beyond our own planet. As Webb continues its mission, it will only deepen our understanding of the cosmos, and challenge the boundaries of what we know. From exploring the Big Bang Theory to searching for signs of extraterrestrial life, the James Webb Space Telescope is unlocking the secrets of the universe in ways we never imagined possible. So, what excites you the most about the discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope? Do you think it will find the key to understanding the origins of the universe, or perhaps uncover signs of life beyond Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on more fascinating science news and space exploration content. Until next time, this is Beyond Tech Tide, your window into the wonders of the universe.